So we are doing question from GATE 2014 electronics. So it is in this question a cascade connection of two voltage amplifiers A1 and A2 is shown, and the open loop gain, input resistance and output resistance for both these stages are given. So open loop gain of A1 is 10, the input resistance of first stage is 10 kilo ohm and its output resistance is 1 kilo ohm. Similarly, for A2 amplifier, its open loop voltage gain is 5, input resistance is 5 kilo ohm and output resistance is 200 ohm. So this is the figure, and the load resistance is given as 1 kilo ohm. So we have to find the overall voltage gain V out upon V in. So for the overall voltage gain, we have to find the individual stage voltage gain and then we can multiply them. So for the first stage, A1 will be equal to, we can simply apply voltage divider rule. So AV naught 1 into R in of second input resistance of the second stage upon input resistance of second stage plus output resistance of the first stage. So AV naught is given to us as 10 and input resistance of second stage is 5 kilo ohm. Input resistance of upon input resistance of the second stage, so again 5 kilo ohm, and output resistance of the first stage, it is equal to 1 kilo ohm, so plus 1k. So this will be equal to 50 upon 6. So A1 we have found out to be 50 upon 6. Similarly, for second stage, A2 is equal to AV naught of second. Here we use AV naught of 1. So here for A2 we have to use 2, open loop voltage gain of second stage. Now again the input resistance of the next stage. So there is no next stage, there is load resistance. So we use RL upon RL plus output resistance of the second stage. So RO2. For first we use output resistance of the first stage. So for second we use output resistance of the second stage. So AV naught 2 is given to us as 5. So 5 into RL is given as 1. So 1, and RO2 is given as 200 ohm. So this will be equal to 0.2k. So 1k plus 0.2k. So this will be equal to 5 upon 1.2. Now we have found A1 and A2. We have found A1 and A2, so overall voltage gain will simply be the multiplication of these two. So overall will be equal to A1 into A2. So it will be equal to 50 upon 6 into 5 upon 1.2. So you can multiply it. So the answer will be 34.72. So 34.72. So the correct answer is 34.72. What we did was we found out the individual voltage gain of each stage and then multiplied both the voltage gain of each stage to get the overall voltage gain, because they were connected in cascade. So this was very easy question from GATE 2014 electronics branch, and I have solved other GATE questions also. So I will give you the playlist, the link of the playlist for all the GATE questions in the description box of this video. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. So best of luck for your exams.